Namaskar. Welcome to SIFF Young Artiste Hindustani Vocal Channel. I am Divya Shenoy. In today's session, we are going to learn Raag Bihag. Raag Bihag is a very beautiful raga which is derived from Bilawal Thaat. The jati of Raag Bihag is Audhav Vakra Sampurna, which means the Aroha has 5 swaras and the Avaroha has all the 7 swaras, but in a Vakra manner, not a very straightforward manner. The time allotted for this raga is second prahar of the night, that is 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. The Vadi Swara is Ga, Samvadi Swara is Ni. All swaras in Bihag are Shuddha. There is usage of Tivra Ma in this raga. It is predominantly used in Tans, but there is a specific way to sing Tivra Ma in the Alap, which we will also look into a little later. With this Parichay, let us start by learning the Aroha and Avaroha of Raag Bihag. Please listen to the Tanpura and sing Sa 2 times in Akar with me. The Aroha of Bihag is as follows. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa. The Avaroha is sa ni da pa ga ma ga re sa. Let me sing the Avaroha once more. Please observe the proportion of Re and Dha and the way Re and Dha are sung in the Avaroha. Sa ni dha pa ga ma ga re sa. So, Re and Dha in the Avaroha are used in a meaned fashion as a passing swara. So, Re is used when we sing Ga Re Sa, and Dha is used like this Ni Da Pa. Also, like I mentioned earlier, it is a Vakra Sampurna raga in the Avaroha. And the reason for this is we don't sing Sani Dhapa Magaresa here. We sing it as Sani Dhapa Ga Magaresa. Hence it is an Audhav Vakra Sampurna raga. Now let us sing the Aroha and Avaroha 2 more times and then proceed to the Vistaar. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ga ma ga re sa. The second time that we sing the Aroha and Avaroha, we will try to incorporate Tivra Ma. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa. Sa ni sa. Please remember that the usage of Tivrama is more in Tans and less in Alap. With this, let us proceed to the Vistaar section in Raag Bihag. Let us sing each Alap once in Swaras, following it with Akar. Ni, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, pa, ni, sa, ni, sa, sa, ni, sa, ga, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, sa, ga, 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 re, sa, ni, sa, ga, ga, ma, ma, ga, pa, pa, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, ni, sa, ga, ma, ga, pa, pa, ga, ma, ga, pa. Now a slight hint of Tivrama. Pa, ga, ma, ga, ga, ma, pa, ni, da, pa, ni, dha, pa, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, Sa ni sa ni dha pa pa ma pa da ma ga re sa. I hope you all have enjoyed learning about Raag Bihag, its Parichay and Vistaar. For more such videos, please subscribe to SIFF Young Artiste Hindustani Vocal channel, and I will see you in our next session. Namaskar.